In this video, I'll show you how to add Peacock to Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Open the Samsung Smart Hub. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV, then press the Home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store. From the Smart Hub menu, select Apps. Use the search bar to find Peacock. Step 3. Install the Peacock app. Select the Peacock app from your search results, then click on Install to download the app to your TV. Step 4. Log in to your Peacock account. Open the Peacock app from the apps menu. Enter your Peacock account credentials to sign in. Start streaming your favorite contents. So that is how you watch Peacock on a Smart TV Samsung. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and if you have any questions about Peacock or anything else, you can leave them in the comments down below. Ciao!